Hello and welcome to our video on male enhancement pills with no side effects. If you are a man who is looking to improve your sexual performance, you have likely come across various male enhancement pills on the market. But with so many products claiming to be the best, it can be hard to know which one to choose. In this video, we will provide you with the information you need to make an informed decision. We will discuss what male enhancement pills are, how they work, and whether they are safe. We will also explore the most common ingredients used in these supplements and their potential side effects. So, if you are interested in male enhancement pills and want to know more about how they can help you, keep watching. Before we dive into the world of male enhancement pills, let's first define what they are. Male enhancement pills are supplements that claim to improve sexual performance, increase libido, and enhance penis size. These pills come in various forms, including capsules, tablets, and powders. Now, you may be wondering, do male enhancement pills really work? The short answer is yes, some do. But not all products are created equal, and many of them make outrageous claims that are not supported by science. The most effective male enhancement pills contain natural ingredients that have been shown to boost libido, increase blood flow to the penis, and improve erectile function. These ingredients include L-arginine, horny goatweed, ginseng, and maca root, among others. However, not all natural ingredients are safe. Some can cause unwanted side effects, such as headaches, nausea, and heart palpitations. It's essential to research the ingredients in any male enhancement pill before taking it to ensure it's safe and effective. Thank you for watching our video on male enhancement pills with no side effects. We hope that this video has provided you with valuable information about these supplements and has helped you make an informed decision about which product is right for you.